In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Clickup. If you're managing projects or tasks on Clickup and need to attach documents, images, or other files, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, to ensure you can do this with ease. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Clickup website, which you can easily find by typing Clickup into your search bar or entering the URL directly. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a login option prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on this to start signing into your account. If you typically use Google to manage login credentials, you'll find the Sign In with Google button particularly handy. Click on this option and you'll be presented with a list of Google accounts. Select the account associated with your Clickup workspace. For those who use other login methods, simply enter your credentials to proceed. After successfully logging in, you'll see your Clickup dashboard. From here, navigate to the list section where you keep your tasks. This might be your personal task list or a team project list depending on your setup. Click on the specific list that contains the task to which you'd like to attach a file. Once you've selected the appropriate list, it's time to choose the specific task. Open the task by clicking on it, and you'll see a more detailed view that includes various sections like comments, subtasks, and attachments. It is within this task view that many of the collaboration features of Clickup begin to really shine. Scroll down to find the attachments section. This is your destination for adding files that supplement the task at hand, whether it's to provide additional context, resources, or any relevant documents. Within this section, you'll notice an upload button. Clicking this will start the process of adding your file. After clicking upload, you'll be presented with a upload file option. Choose this and your file explorer will pop up, allowing you to browse and select the file you wish to upload to Clickup. Whether it's a PDF, image, or document, ensure the file is ready to be shared. Once selected, the upload will begin immediately. You'll see the file appear in the attachments section once the upload is complete. And that's it, you've now successfully uploaded a file to a task in Clickup. This file is now accessible to anyone collaborating on the task, providing an easy way to share important information and streamline your workflow. With practice, you'll find this process becomes a quick and efficient part of your daily Clickup routine. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy task managing and see you in the next video.